What's up, Femilam, and welcome back to the vlog channel. Vlog channel. Hey. So there's a lot of stuff I feel like I need to talk about with my YouTube channel, but I'm not going to talk about it right now because it's late and I'm tired as freak. It's currently Friday, January 31st, 3 o'clock in the freaking morning. Your girl's tired. Ignore the fact that I look like a complete and utter fetus that fell from a different planet and is trying to take over Earth. So I have a long weekend ahead of me, starting with Friday, tomorrow, well today technically speaking. I have to wake up in 2 hours, 3 hours actually. I have to wake up in 3 hours, get in the shower, wash my freaking clothes because I'm spending the night with my dad's this weekend, well today at least, for the Chiefs season. So basically I'm going to be selling Chiefs merch with him this weekend. So I'm spending at his house, so I have to pack up everything. So I have to make sure everything's charged and things like that because I have to bring like my laptop because I think I have a project that I want to work on over there. So I'm gonna try to vlog as much as possible, but right now I just finished putting my clothes out there so that my mom can get them when she wakes up, so that she can put them in the washing machine, so that when I wake up, I can put them in the freaking dryer and then they can dry. Yes, I'm extremely tired. I stayed up till like 1 yesterday and now I'm staying up till 3, so yay! What's up, guys? It's been a few hours since 3 o'clock this morning and I overslept completely. The goal was to wake up at 6, get in the shower, and then start helping my little brothers get ready as well as packing my clothes. Yeah, I woke up at 6. No, I actually woke up at like 5, but I was so freaking tired that I was like, okay, I'm just gonna get up at 8 and do it. But then 8 turned into 9 and 9 turned into 10, and so here we are. Yeah, I'm getting my clothes together. The reason why I'm vlogging out here today in my room is because I don't want to get a copyright strike for the MJ that's going on in there. Right now I'm getting my clothes together and my little brother's using the bathroom, but after he gets out the bathroom from washing up, I'm gonna get in the shower and put on a really cute outfit because I really think it's really cute. But that is, you know, what's going on. So I'm just gonna like try to make a montage. This is the goal, but I don't know. I'm gonna try to make a montage and I'll see you guys afterwards, whatever happens. What's up, everyone, and welcome back to I don't even know what to say. Currently 12:31. I got dressed and I would like to say personally that I think I look good, but that's just my opinion. What's up, guys? We're at the tent doing some tent stuff. I'm vlogging on my phone, so you can probably tell. But the reason why I'm vlogging on my phone is because oh, I love this song. Is because I left my vlog camera outside, and so we're wrapping up right now. Actually, I need to hurry up. I came here to use the bathroom, but I was like, oh, I need a vlog, so I just had my phone on me. So yeah, I need to get a freaking phone to this thing. I just finished using the bathroom. Where's my other hand? I'm about to go get some drink. I need to look. I'll catch you guys on the flip side. It's like tier 2 embarrassing, dude. What's up, Femilam? It's been a little bit since we left from wrapping up the tent. We have some food, which looks delicious. And I'm currently sitting outside of a house of people who I have history with. after we left the tent, we went to go get some food, and then we went to my dad's friend's house, and he's dropping off something, and I'm sitting in the car listening to these two dudes talk about the Chiefs winning Super Bowl. My dad's coming. But and now my dad's dropping off something to his friend or whatever, and then we're gonna go head back to my dad's house where we about to finna get some sleep. I said about to get finna get some sleep and wake up early tomorrow to sell Chiefs merch. Good morning, guys. Oh my god, I'm so tired. It's currently 7:06 in the morning on Saturday, February 1st. So yeah, so we're headed out to the tent. I actually woke up very late, but we're ignoring that. I need to brush my teeth really badly, so I have to use the bathroom really badly. Like, really badly now, I'm thinking about it. So right now, let's go. Another alarm just went off. We have to leave at 7:20, and right now it's 7:10, so I have 10 minutes to do this. So, kind of rushing just a little bit. So right now I'm about to go brush my teeth and then come back and get my bag, and I think we'll be ready to go. Oh, I gotta brush my face too, so that's the whole thing. And I'll do the spare. Catch you guys later. What the frick is up, guys? So it's been a little minute. I think it's it's 7:53 in the morning. Your girl's tired. It's on a Saturday. I think I told you guys this already, but I feel like I was talking really low this morning. It's probably because I was extremely tired. I'm really excited to kind of work with my dad this weekend. Well, to help him, obviously, because it has been really crazy. Like, it's been so much business, I just can't, dude. The amount that I'm getting paid definitely opens up some doors to some stuff, I guess you could say. I guess that's a weird way of putting it. Paid, I basically can buy a couple of things that I really wanted to buy recently. Like, I can buy a new vlog camera. I can buy, which I do have a list on my, I gotta open it up. I need this finger real quick. Thanks for all the love on my newest Insta post. I really appreciate it. If you don't follow me on my social media, please go do that. What the hell am I gonna name this vlog? The baby Witcher. I gotta look through my footage and see what the heck this vlog is even about. Because I think I've just been recording these last couple of days. I think I'm gonna name it Weekend in My Life. Weekend in My Life, maybe. Yeah, I might name it that. I'm gonna end this vlog right here, so that I can definitely focus on helping my dad. I don't know if I want to end this vlog right here. I'm probably going to, and then start up a new vlog for next Monday. Tomorrow. Well, technically it'll be the Monday afternoon. What for us right now, it's Monday afternoon. If you guys like this video, please push a big fat thumbs up. If you didn't like it, I would not be mad if you didn't push a thumbs up. Just don't push a thumbs down, please. Look forward to more great content. I'm super excited for this new year, and I'm so excited for other things going on in it. Hopefully, inshallah, it goes as planned, and everything goes successfully. Fat thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new. unsubscribe and then subscribe back if you're not new. Push the notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload a video, which is every single Monday. So we hopefully never miss a vlog. Look forward to more great content. I will see you guys later. Peace. I'm so damn tired.